not really alone, because Carol's here. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, Sal. It's lovely to be here with you this morning.
Lovely to have you.
Although, obviously, we're missing John. And I had to say that, didn't I?
Yes, you did well.
But I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. So, good morning, everybody. This morning, well, it's not a particularly cold start to the day. And for some of us, it is a rather wet one, particularly so the south of England and also through Northern Ireland, where we've got some rain coming in. Now, that rain is going to be pushing northeastwards through the course of the day, and many of us will actually see some sunny spells develop.
But I know, Carol, the weather is looking quite complex for this week.
It absolutely is, Sal. That's a good way of describing it. Today's mixed, but tomorrow we've got Storm Agnes coming our way, and she or it is going to pack a real punch. So what we have today is some rain. Rain for a time. We've got it coming at us from the west and also the south. Some of that will be heavy and thundery, but there will also be some sunny spells around as well.
I know there's a storm coming, but you've got a beautiful picture with you today.
Isn't it lovely, Sal? A real autumnal scene, but you're quite right. There is a storm coming. That is Storm Agnes, and Storm Agnes will make its impacts felt across our shores tomorrow. The southeast of England, the least affected by it.
Singing all together, something that Carol knows all about.
Sal, I wouldn't inflict that on anybody's ears.
I've heard you sing.
All the more reason not to again. Good morning, everybody. This morning we do have some rain on the cards, but some of us starting off on a bright note, as you can see from our weather watchers picture taken earlier in Nottinghamshire.
And she's bringing a rainbow.
Chosen especially for you, Sal.
Thank you.
I know you do like rainbows, and we'll probably see a few in the next couple of days as well. In fact, what we have today is rain at times, but there will be some sunshine as well. I'm going to be talking about Storm Agnes. Did you know, actually, that Storm Agnes currently in the Atlantic is an area of low pressure, is developing so rapidly between noon and midday and midnight tonight. It's twice as much as what you would need for the definition of a weather bomb, which is a drop in pressure of 24 millibars in 24 hours.
And that's coming our way tomorrow.
It is, yes it is. And not all of us will feel the effects of Storm Agnes. The southeast probably the least affected. But today what we've got is rain for a time and then some sunny spells. We've also got some showers in the forecast. So here comes Storm Agnes. As you can see, it is a deep area of low pressure and it's approaching our shores during the course of Wednesday. It's a double whammy really, because it's rain and also wind. Now the wind strength around the Irish Sea coastline is going to be between 60 and 75 miles an hour. With exposure, we're looking at about 80-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, 50 to 60 across the eastern parts of Scotland and northeast England. Now, these are damaging gusts. We're also looking at gusts up to 60 miles an hour across parts of southwest of England, Wales, northwest England and southwest Scotland. So there could well be some damage done through the wind and also travel disruption as well. But that's only half the story, because the rain is the other half. So the rain's going to come in across Ireland and Wales, getting into northern England, through Northern Ireland into Scotland. It will be in Scotland later in the day and it will still be heavy, so there is the risk of flooding. And don't forget that combination of the wind as well. And temperatures 14 to 22 Celsius. But as you can see, the southeastern quarter not terribly affected by this. It will be drier, the wind won't be as strong, but later on in the day we will see some showers moving across the southeast.